Welcome to English Language Academy. The day I found a hidden door in my house. One sunny Saturday morning, I was in my room trying to find my favorite blue sweater. It wasn't in my closet, nor under my bed, and not even in the laundry. I searched everywhere, but the sweater seemed to have vanished. Frustrated, I decided to look through the attic. Our attic was dusty and filled with old boxes, forgotten toys, and old clothes. It wasn't a place I went often, mostly because it was dark and creepy. Still, I wanted my sweater, and I was determined to look in every corner. As I moved some boxes around, I noticed something odd. One side of the wall looked different from the others. There was a small crack along the edge, almost like a line drawn on the wall. Curious, I leaned closer and ran my fingers along the crack. To my surprise, a piece of the wall moved slightly. My heart skipped a beat. "What's this?" I whispered to myself. I gave the wall a gentle push, and it slowly swung open. It was a hidden door. I'd never seen it before, and I had no idea it existed. Behind the door was a narrow, dark hallway. I hesitated for a moment, wondering if I should explore it, but the excitement was too strong to ignore. I grabbed a flashlight from the shelf in the attic, took a deep breath, and stepped through the hidden door. The hallway was old and musty, with spider webs in the corners and dust everywhere. It looked like no one had been there in a very long time. As I walked, I noticed strange drawings on the walls, small animals, trees, and stars, all drawn in faded paint. They made the hallway feel magical, almost like it was a secret world hidden in my own house. At the end of the hallway, I reached another door, this one smaller and made of wood. I tried the handle, and it creaked open. Inside was a cozy little room with a single window, though it was too dirty to see outside. In the corner was a small table with a candle and some old books. On the wall hung a dusty mirror, and beneath it was a small trunk with a golden lock. My heart was racing with excitement. I knelt beside the trunk and tried to open it, but it was locked. Just then, I remembered the strange key I had found in the backyard a few years ago. I had kept it in a drawer, thinking it was just a piece of junk. But now I wondered if it could be the key to this trunk. I ran back to my room, found the key, and returned to the hidden room. My hands shook as I fit the key into the lock. To my surprise, it turned smoothly, and the trunk clicked open. Inside, I found an old diary, some strange coins, and a small locket with a picture of a woman I didn't recognize. I opened the diary and read the first page. "To whoever finds this, my name is Eleanor. This room was my secret place, a place to dream and hide. If you found this, then maybe you're a dreamer too. I hope you keep it safe, just as I did." The diary was filled with Eleanor's thoughts, dreams, and little stories. She had lived in my house many years ago and had created this secret space to escape from the world. As I read, I felt a connection to Eleanor, even though I had never met her. I spent hours in the hidden room, reading her diary and imagining what her life was like. She seemed like a kind and creative person, someone who loved stories and adventure. I felt lucky to have found her secret, like I had discovered a hidden friend from the past. When I finally left the room, I carefully closed the trunk, blew out the candle, and shut the hidden door behind me. I decided to keep Eleanor's room a secret, just like she had. It was my little adventure, and maybe someday I would pass it on to someone else. From that day on, I felt like my house was a little more magical. Every time I passed the attic, I thought of Eleanor and her hidden room. And strangely enough, I found my blue sweater hanging in my closet, just where I thought I had left it. Maybe it was just a coincidence. Or maybe, just maybe, it was a little bit of magic. Thanks for watching English Language Academy. Subscribe now.